Welcome, my friends. Today we traveled to the bride of the Mediterranean, green Tunisia, and from there we enjoyed a Tunisian couscous. Traditionally steamed Tunisian couscous is a simple and delicious dish. Here is the recipe for preparing couscous. Steamed Tunisian. Universes. 1/2 kilo couscous, fine or coarse as desired. 1 kilogram of lamb, cut into large pieces. You can use a chicken or beef and add spices to it, or fish as well, but the fish in the broth pot is cooked 10 minutes before it is finished. 3 green peppers, long. 2 chopped onions. 2 zucchini. 2 carrots. 2 potatoes. 100 grams of soaked chickpeas. 3 tablespoons tomato paste. 1 tablespoon hot pepper. Black pepper. Salt. 1/4 cup cooking oil. Steps. Chapter 1. Place the couscous in a wide bowl, such as a large plate, sprinkle water and a little salt on it, and stir until it is completely wet. By stirring, the couscous pieces separate from each other and we put a lid on it for 10 minutes. Chapter 2. Put the oil in the cooking pot, then the onions, and put them on the fire. Add the meat, stir for 2 minutes, then add the chickpeas and tomato paste. Continue stirring and add the spices and hot pepper, then 1/4 liter of water. Chapter 3. Then we put the couscous in its own bowl at the steam pot and place the steam pot over the pot in which we prepared the broth, and it remains on the heat for 30 minutes. Chapter 4. Remove the couscous from the heat, then stir it well. We put the vegetables in the broth and leave them until they are cooked, then put the couscous back on the steam. Chapter 5. After finishing, separate the vegetables from the broth, then gradually pour the broth over the couscous, stirring. We cover it and leave it to absorb the broth. Chapter 6. Fry the green peppers, then put the couscous in a serving dish and place the vegetables and peppers on top of it. Chapter 7. Thus, you have a couscous dish, or as they say in Tunisian, a couscous dish. Bon appétit everyone. My friends, if you like the video and the content, do not hesitate to like, comment, and share the video with your friends, and do not leave before you subscribe to the channel. Our next meeting, God willing, will be in Rabat, Casablanca, and other Moroccan capitals. We will learn about one of the most famous Moroccan dishes, the Moroccan tagine. See you soon!